Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.